Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of posts not showing on the application of X Twitter. You will go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search here. On above you will search about the application of X Twitter and you will enter. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store and then you can update your app. So please don't forget to